Hey, what's up YouTube? Got a new product in the mail. It's from Grom VL2 for my 2016 Lexus IS 350 Sport. So this is the version 2 model from Grom Audio. Should allow me to utilize like the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto if you have that type of stuff. But let's do a quick unboxing and see what's in the box. There's a little bit of padding. This would be like the main package here. First, that's the side right quick. It's just the invoice. Cool. So right off the bat, you see the Grom VL2 box. There's the logos. Alright. See how this opens. Looks like it slides. Yep. Alright, so it just slides right off. Lay that to the side. Let's go ahead and cut these. Okay. Okay, so right off the bat, you can see there's the installation manual. So that'll definitely come in handy. Make sure we get everything installed correctly. There's a user guide after you set it up. Looks like it's got numbers, it's got directions how to activate Android Auto, wireless CarPlay. So we'll take a look at that later once we install. All right, this seems to be the module itself. Let's take a look at this one. Boom. All right, so there you go. HDMI in, 2 USB ports, and HDMI out port. There's the camera connector, a mic, and looks to be like an antenna, similar to like looks almost like a GPS connection there. Nothing on that side. On the back, looks like it's got another spot for pinouts, another interface cable there. All right. Set this off to the side right here. All right. It's all aluminum, so let's see here. All right. So we open the box and you can see there's a harness here, which practically makes it plug and play. And so you can see the little mic cable. It's a harness, so this should connect to your OEM audio setup. So mine has the navigation system with it, so they may have to do with how the wires look. There's some more cables. There's a USB connection here. EMF, all right. Looks pretty straightforward. All right, lay that there. Looks like there's a bracket to mount it. Interested to see what the directions say where we're going to mount it. Those are aluminum as well, comes with hardware. All right, and here we've got a USB port, so that looks like where you might be able to connect like your phone charger or something, maybe the interface with your phone on the screen. Okay. And obviously this should be the GPS antenna, and we'll just mount that somewhere hidden on the dash where you can see kind of the sky. All right, and there's the connector for that. Easy to connect. Okay. And all plug and play. There's another connector. You shouldn't have to splice anything, which is nice. And that's pretty much everything out of this box. So, yeah. Let's see what the installation manual says. Correct placement of the V-line in your vehicle. Right, so it looks like they want to mount it inside the glove box compartment. And it gives you the orientation for it. And video cables facing the stereo. Obviously, because you only have so much length on the wires. And then placement of the GPS antenna, top of the dashboard, right hand corner. Best GPS signal possible. Yeah. Obviously, if you have Google Maps and you're interfacing with your phone, it should just reflect or mirror anyway. And there's pretty much everything covered. Display port, on the OEM radios. It's got the diagrams, real good pictures. It looks like it's pretty in depth. It should be pretty easy to follow. It's got the diagram, SD card port, microphone, USB 2s, Bluetooth antenna. So that's what that was on the edge of the V-line module. Yeah, all right, so we'll end it there. Quick 5-minute video on what comes in the box of the Grom VL2 for the IS 350 in my case, but it obviously covers multiple platforms in the Lexus family. So yeah, I'm excited to install this today and kind of see how it goes. Maybe I'll do a short after it's installed. Yeah, if you have any questions, just hit me up. I'll try my best to answer them. Obviously, I'm not a professional, I haven't installed this yet, but shouldn't be anything I can't handle. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. And then I would show you the inside of my car, but it's pretty dirty. Yeah, all right. So that being said, peace.